Why top decision makers rely on AI for strategy and what they know that you don't. Look, I know what you're thinking. AI for strategy? That's for big tech giants with tech teams of data scientists, not for us. But here's the truth. Today, smartest decision makers across industries are leaning into AI, not just as a tool, but as a strategic edge. And the real pain here, not tapping into AI means you're likely bleeding resources, missing key insights, and losing opportunities to your competitors who are already making the shift. I've seen this firsthand. I've been in the tech world for over 50 years, building companies, leading R&D, and guiding strategy for some of the biggest brands. Brands like Sony, Canon Professional, Delta Technologies. Early on, I made my first million designing software that was used in projects like the John Wayne Airport and the Fresno Dam. AI then, it was still a fantasy, but now we're in a world where AI is guiding decisions in ways that were unimaginable back then. And here's where the power lies. Top leaders use AI to see the future. They know that with AI, they're not just analyzing what's already happened, they're forecasting what's coming next. That kind of strategic foresight is what keeps businesses alive and thriving when others fail. The emotional justification, let's be real. The stakes are high. You don't want to be the company that's left behind because you didn't adopt smarter ways of strategizing. Watching competitors edge ahead while you struggle with the same old tactics is frustrating. It's not for the lack of effort, it's just that without AI, you're essentially driving blind while everyone else has a GPS. The logical justification? Why does AI work so well for strategic decision making? Because it processes massive data sets in real time, finding patterns and insights that we would never detect manually. It's like adding a team of 100 analysts to your staff without the endless payroll. AI doesn't just replace processes, it makes them smarter, faster, and infinitely scalable. Some real-world examples. Top companies are using AI to predict market shifts before they happen so they can pivot quickly and keep their competitive edge. They're identifying gaps in customer experience with hyper-targeted insights, boosting retention and reducing churn. They optimize operations with predictive maintenance, which saves millions on unexpected downtime. When I led an international team to build the world's first fully autonomous robotic machine control system, we saw savings and efficiencies that were beyond what anyone expected. AI can cut down on errors, streamline operations, and allow you to complete projects in a fraction of the time. Imagine that level of impact on your strategy. Building authority. I'm not here to tell you AI is a magic fix. It's a tool, a powerful one. With the right guidance, it can elevate your strategy in ways that traditional methods simply can't match. I've built over a dozen companies, and the ones that strived are the ones that adapted quickly to new tech. AI is that new tech now. Top decision makers rely on AI for one simple reason. It works. It doesn't just automate, it transforms. AI helps you to see trends, optimize operations, and make decisions backed by data, not guesswork. Without it, you're at risk of being left behind, and it's time to change that. Ready to see how AI can give your strategy the edge? Get a free audit call at Igloo Digital Marketing and start thinking like the top decision makers in your industry.